Here I have HUAWEI P20 Lite, and let me show you how to enable backup data on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen, then let's find and select the settings. Here you need to scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose System. Afterwards choose Backup and Restore, and right now you have to decide whether you would like to use Google Backup or HUAWEI Backup. In my case, let me use the Google one, so let's make sure that your Backup My Data feature is enabled. So as you can see, this is disabled feature, and now you can enable Backup My Data. Here you can read more about this. Let's go back. Now you need to add the backup account, so let me do it. If you have added some Google accounts, you can use them. If not, let's choose Add Account. Now it's important to have the internet access. And now you need to add your Google account. You can do it in two ways. You can create a new account by using that link, or you can use the existing Google account. So in my case, let me use the existing one. Let's enter the email. Alright, let's tap OK and tap Next. Now let me enter the password. Let's choose Next right here. And tap I agree. Alright, here we've got some Google services. So let's leave Enable Backup to Google Drive and let's tap I agree. And that's it, we just enable Backup My Data and add necessary backup account, so you can go back and start using your device with Backup My Data feature enabled. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.